So this is my replica of a Peter Witt car, 2766. These streetcars used to run on Toronto streets from the 1920s to the 1960s. A very different kind of streetcar. By what I mean by different is, I wonder if this is where TDC got the sliding door features for the subway cars. Because these doors slide open. And if I can slide this open and slide this one open if it would move. But as you can see, the doors open, the slide open instead of with the swinging feature of normal TDC vehicles. Now it's a very different car, like I said. You know, not something that we will see on our streets today, but something that would have been common back in those days. And as I mentioned earlier in one of my other videos, it was Toronto Transportation Commission. Now I have this streetcar set at for the Sinclair route, but what I've done with this model, I've created, you know, all the streetcar routes in Toronto. I'll just turn her around. You can see this is the next side of it. A very, very different streetcar. Now TDC does have one of these, this fleet number 2766, as a historic car. And there's the front. And actually, these doors open too. They're slide open also. Not really slide open, but they're open like the current streetcars that we have right now. Just the back doors are different. So here's my finished product of my TDC Peter Witt car, 2766. The next car that I will do is a PCC car, and I will show it when I have it ready.